I've been wanting to get my hands on, like, inside this tablet for a long time.
What? You haven't liked and subscribed yet? It's okay. There's still time. Go, go! Click!
Please hold for beer pour. Yes. Alright, cheers! Welcome to whatever the hell's on the screen right now. I drew this like a year ago, so I think it's time to see if we can upgrade her a little bit. I don't know where my body is. There's nothing underneath. It's all like... It's all void. There's nothing under it. Like, once you, like, if anyone ever is like, like, Etro, what do you look like without clothes? Because I don't know why you would, but I guess if you really wanted to know. There's nothing there. Yeah, there's something here that's like stopping. There's like a dead zone on it too, so it's time to get a new one. I don't know where that dead zone came from. I don't know if it's the pin. Actually, I think it's the pin. Huh. That's so weird. I think it's the pin. How do you sharpen a tablet pen? Draw hands, so I gotta look at my own hand. Long, Vera. Oh, I'm cursed in real life. Like, ugh. Long. Got them cheeks, boy. I am double cheeked up on a Thursday night, and I do not apologize for it. Like, look at them cheeks. Those are the eyebrows. Like, these are legitimately the eyebrows of a troublemaker, and I do not fucking regret them. I love my eyebrows. Love my eyebrows. I like it. I like it. God, I'm naked. Alright, let's fix that. I mean, for any of you who are surprised at my level of cowardice and how easy it is to frighten me, I got scared by a doorbell yesterday. Like, I literally said on DoorDash. This is why I say it on DoorDash. My doorbell is so obnoxiously loud that I just... And I never really expect it. Like, even though they have an ETA and I'm, like, sitting there waiting for my food because I'm hungry, I still never expect it when it happens. So when I tell them on DoorDash, I have specific instructions, and it says, do not ring the doorbell. Like, straight up. It's like, straight up. Just leave the food, send me the picture, and go away. Thank you. I tipped you. Your job is done. And every fucking time, they ring the doorbell. And it scares the crap out of me. And, like, because I never know when it's coming, of course. Because no one ever expects the doorbell. It's, like, it's literally the world's most natural jump scare. Even though it's man-made. It's the world's most natural man-made jump scare. And I don't appreciate it at all. I wish I didn't have one. Bathing suit with thigh-high socks. That's not a bathing suit anymore. Imagine wearing socks with a bathing suit. Like, girl, why would you wear wet socks? Truly, like, why would you make yourself uncomfortable like that? I mean, I don't know. I don't know anybody who wants to wear wet socks. Like, I don't. I don't think I want to know anybody who wants to wear wet socks. It. But I can delete. Okay, so what we have established is this was the original. So this was the original. We've come a long way. I drew this 1 year ago. So I drew this 1 year ago on paper. This is she. This be me. We are she. She is me. I art thou. Thou art I. And we were like, all right. So I came back to it exactly 1 year later. And this is here. This is here. So I think we've done some things. I think we have done some, I think we've made some progress. I think I found a style that I liked. Is it finished? In my heart of hearts, it's finished because I'm done with it. Will other people think it's finished? No, because people want artists to work themselves to death, for their personal entertainment, but I am done with it. I'm probably not going to come back to this drawing. I like it the way it is. I did the thing. I did the thing, you know? And I think I'm happy with it and I'm good.